I'm here with Sam from Levine Detailing, and he's going to talk us through what we're going to be getting done to the car. So I'll hand it over to you, Sam.
The car's getting a stage 1 paint correction. We're going to start with the wheels and then move on to the body, and then we'll start with the decontamination and then move on to the polishing.
Yeah, it is kind of filthy right now. Full valet inside first, isn't it? Full.
Yeah.
Snow foam and that. We'll get a stage 1 paint correction.
Yeah.
Stage 1 paint correction. Those of you lot in Liverpool know that bird shit. So we need to get it ceramic coated as well. But yeah, I'll let you crack on then, Sam. Alright then, Sam, what are we getting done here now?
I'm cleaning the exhaust.
Yeah, you can see the chrome coming out, can't you? Just grinding away at it now, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Sam, go on, tell us about yourself then. You're 16.
I'm 16, I'm a professional mobile car detailer. I offer paint correction, deep cleans. I have a maintenance system so it keeps cars fresh all year round. I do offer ceramic coatings, and soon I'm going to be doing PPFs, dechroming cars, everything. And
you've been doing this since January as well. You're a quick learner, man. That's really good, man.
Yeah,
grinded. 16 years old, guys. Get at him. I'll put his links in the description as well.
He's done well though.
Oh yeah.
When I mean well.
Yeah. Why is it not?
Oh shit, yeah, it is chrome underneath.
Yeah.
That's mad.
It's because bro, I don't think these exhausts have ever been cleaned.
Literally.
So it's like,
bro, even
you saw it was black. Like the exhaust was
bro,
black.
I even took it to that detailer before.
Yeah.
Look at him. And it literally came out black as well, and I thought it was meant to be like that.
Yeah. I mean, it depends because most people charge for exhaust tech cleaning. Because when it's like fucking black like this, and I've got to spend 10 minutes.
Wow, bro, it's actually chrome. This is mad.
It doesn't sound good, that does it? But when you lubricate this, it like doesn't really scratch it.
Guys, just look at the difference between that and that.
No, that
you scrubbed a bit of it, yeah. What's the point of the snow foam?
So the snow foam is a lubricant for the clay bar,
which
helps it glide along the paint.
What's this clay bar that you've got?
It removes the contaminants from the paint to prep for polishing.
Absolutely smashing it so far, man. I still can't believe you're 16, bro. Smashing it. Do you want to show us your shirt then? Levine Detailing, Insta, Levine Detailing. And are you sure you want your number out there then? Is that like a separate number? Like, have you got a separate number for like personal?
That's my number.
Alright then, guys, so hit him up if you want to get booked in. I'm a detailer now. Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
I don't put any pressure on.
Nah, I can do it a bit faster.
Alright, okay, I'm not on your level yet. Yo, it feels so weird, you know.
It's gliding all along it, innit?
Yeah.
That's not badly contaminated.
Am I even doing it right?
Yeah, if it was badly contaminated, it'd be dead rough.
Yeah, I feel like tiny, but it's like literally sliding.
Yeah. Well, you'll see what the clay bar picks up. It's not as bad, not badly contaminated.
There's a bit there.
Bit.
You can see it, yeah. I'll leave it to the expert. Yeah, I see him. All right. So these are the swirl marks we're trying to get rid of. See everything on this one now. So what we're doing now, Sam?
Applying the compound to the pad, and then I'm gonna start polishing the bonnet first.
Shall we see it?
And then we'll let Asfand have a go.
Let's see what this is. Final cut, one step forward.
So I've just done a test patch with the pad and compound. I'm going to look at the results now. So rub it in low speed. Whoa, low speed? No, I mean like it's on speed 1.
Shall I put it down first and I'll do it?
Yeah.
Alright. Bro.
Don't put loads of pressure.
Alright, okay, I get you.
I mean
Oh,
like...
so close. Yo, this is sick. I could do this all day.
Are you pulling the trigger the whole way?
Yeah. Wait, no.
Right, go speed 4.
4?
Yeah.
Do I have to follow a specific line?
This is cross.
Sam's here with the with the light, and yeah, I can see them on camera as well now.
No, you can't.
There. Look there.
Yeah.
You see it there? Some swirls there.
Depends where you stood.
Yeah, can we move the light up. Yeah, it's all the way down the pillar, I reckon. Then. Yeah, look, you can see that on camera as well.
Yeah, right, I'll polish it.
Alright, so that's the before, guys. Catch up with you when it's on the after. Working hard, innit, Sam?
Yeah.
Alright, do you want me to hold it then?
I mean, like, so you can see for yourself, like, stand in the middle.
Yeah, it's just the scratches, isn't it?
Yeah, they're the deep ones.
Yeah.
So
But the swirls have gone. Gotta show this because this is swirl mark central. You don't even need the light for this. You can just see the swirls. Especially if I put it at this angle. Wow. Big reveal after the cloth. Literally, I can't see one. Not a single.
Oh yeah.
Wow. After a busy, long 6 hours, the car is finally done. The paint correction. Still gonna do the ceramic coating, innit, Sam? It's actually transformed. It's like a brand new car, to be honest. Who needs a mirror when you got this car? Straight up. Smashed it.
I'm applying the ceramic coating now. This is going to give a 1-year protection, and it's going to add a lot of gloss to this car.
So this is ceramic coating, right?
Yeah.
Wow, it smells nice, you know. So this is what we're using, Infinity Wax Energy Light. So this is a year's protection, right?
Yeah.
It's like nail varnish, isn't it? Like that's what it smells like. Wow, look at the gloss. Look at the difference there. Can you see it?
You need to wipe it off.
So apart from actual protection, it's actually going to make it look better as well.
Yeah.
Smashed it. Applying the last finishing touches now, innit, Sam?
Yeah, man.
Absolutely knackered. How many hours are we in now?
Too many.
Too many to count, yeah. Glossy, innit?
Yeah.
Should we take a look at the rest of the car? Stage 1, paint correction with a ceramic coating. For a year, innit, Sam?
Yeah, 1 year protection.
You can 100% see the difference between the time between you put the buffing in for the swirl marks,
Yeah.
and then after that when you put the ceramic coat in. Look at the gloss. Literally, who needs a mirror? If you want to take mirror pics, you know where to go. Just look at that. He's actually smashed it, and obviously right now he's putting on the tire shine, which you can see the absolute massive difference. Appreciate it, man.
No worries.
Yeah. I'm about respecting the check. Cash up front, what I expect. Sometimes I just recollect. Remember when shit got so ugly like Shrek. I got no heart in my chest. Niggas just shot at the set. Young boy, but I still the vet. Bae, I'm a wolf, oh no, I am no pet. You at caboose since you talk out the neck. Trey fives the peas, we got all that on deck.
Legit, I'm calling him a professional. The work he's done is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to leave his links down in the description and put his Instagram on screen as well. But just for the viewers, Sam, do you want to tell them what we've got done to the car one last time?
So the car's been fully valeted, it's had a decon wash, and then we've moved on to the polishing, and then applied a 1-year ceramic coating, which has removed the swirls and enhanced the gloss, and obviously protected the paint as well.
This guy's a magician. Make sure you check him out. And my boys who are watching, no more eating in the car, alright? Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.